With the summer months not too far away, people are looking to do more outdoor activities. One of the more popular ones in Sigonella is kayaking. The Information Tickets and Travel Office, or ITT, has a monthly class that goes over the basics for first-time kayakers.
Basically, we follow the American Canoe Association's guidelines and try to get the quick start to kayaking. Bottom line, the essentials to get somebody safely in a kayak program or so that they can go out on their own and safely kayak for the day.
Paul covered paddling techniques, safety procedures, and what to do if you flip your kayak over, which unfortunately happened to a lot of these first-timers.
I wanted to go out this summer on the ocean and just try out kayaking, try new stuff, and this is I just wanted to get a good handle on it before we went out.
ITT offers these kayaking courses every month along with group kayaking trips during the summer. Petty Officer Jeremy Freeling, Sigonella, Italy.